That's right. I'm back with another video. And so here we go, man. As you can see, we did a little rearranging things. Hope you guys like the new arrangement, so you can kind of see everything all in one place. And it looks a lot better too, don't you agree? All right, so this is where we used to be here. And this is where we are now. It's pretty cool. Get them out of the shade a little bit. I just put them over there, over here today. So let's take a look at it. You know, these guys are doing a lot better. You know, we've been giving them more and more and more water, you know, just to make sure they're doing okay. So let's take a look at some of this new stuff from underneath. You gotta get underneath there. Yeah, get underneath that. So see all the new growth. Look at those buds. Let me get that in there. Oh, yeah. So there you go. You guys see it? They're looking really good. Look at this guy. I'm gonna see if I can get it from this angle. I think it'll be cool. Get my thumb out the way. I think that's a cool shot right there, guys. So this is some buds that are coming up. And kind of back out here for the other plant. This other one here is like reaching for the sky. So let me show you some of this stuff. Let me get in there and get all in there. That's right, you see the buds. You know, I would love to get some fruit out of this one, but I don't know if I'm gonna get it this year, guys. That's cool. So here's another offshoot. I just saw a spider tried to run away. You look, friend, I already saw you. So it's some good growth, guys. Look at all their new growth. It's cool. So let's take a look at this guy. You know, he's just growing up. He doesn't have any flowers or anything like that. So he's gonna be cool. Doesn't have any flowers this year. Got a little vine wrapped around him. Gotta get that off. You know, so yeah, I'll kind of attend to this later on. But yeah, still doing pretty good. Hope you guys like that. This guy right here has always been good. From day one, has flowers and more flowers are popping out. Look, saying hi to you, waving to you in the wind. So what do you guys think about these flowers? Let me get in there. See, they're so pink, they're just blurry. Let's see if I can make it happen. I think I'm gonna just have to move in a little bit closer. Dope, right? pretty cool. So let's move on to the third plant, guys. Now this guy right here has some buds on it. Let's see if I can get it at a different angle. So this guy right here has some buds on it, you know. Hadn't popped out any flowers yet. I hope that it does, but we'll see. We will see, so. But anyway, guys, I hope you like the new garden setup and the new video. If you like it, got some kind of value from it, even if it's entertaining, I think you guys should like, comment, and subscribe, man. You know, really do subscribe too, because no one subscribes on these videos, so, which I think are cool. I mean, you know, 9 people right now think it's cool. Look, 9 of y'all think that this is cool. I think that's dope because I think it's cool. And that goes for anything else, man. You know, I will be coming out with some more channels, different channels, aside from slinging these bad boys, which they're going like hotcakes. So if you want some, just let me know. A little short wait on that, but I'll get it to you. You know, over to my friends right here. You know, with all the new growth, its own terminations here, which I love. So if you guys like this video, you know, hey, let me know. Yeah, let your boy know, and I'll be in touch with you. You could have spent some time anywhere else, man, but you came to spend some time with me. I do appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Peace out.